How to turn off last seen on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. And here you want to click on settings. Then click on privacy. And from the interactions section, click on activity status. And here you will find two toggles. You need to turn them off. And that's it. It's basically very easy. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off last seen on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.